Hey y'all, today I'm showing you how to create some pretty curly box braids. Thank you Sam's Beauty for sponsoring this video. The night before I shampooed my hair, conditioned it, and then I moisturized it using my DIY hair butter cream. If you want to see that video, just tap that icon up above. And I just used it to twist my hair. I like using this method underneath my box braids because it helps my natural hair stay moisturized. So that's why I always do it, and I'll always encourage others with natural hair to do the same method as well. Okay, so I'm done twisting. Hey y'all, so it's 2 days later. I already did the back of my head. I have 6 packs of the Free Tress 3X Tahiti Water Curl, and it's color 1B. It's just basically curly braiding hair or crochet hair, and it comes with 3 bundles, and then it comes with 8 curls per bundle. That means I'm gonna get 12 braids per pack. So I'm using 2 curls per braid. I'm gonna take the crochet hook, put it underneath, latch on 2 curls, pull it through, and then I'm gonna use this braid, my braid, as a 3rd leg and start braiding. Okay, once the 3rd leg gets short, I'm gonna just assign one of the curls from each to the middle. So now the middle has 2 curls and the other 2 strands have 1 curl. Then I'm gonna keep braiding. Keep braiding, keep braiding. And then I'm gonna take all the loose ends and twirl them around my finger tightly, just like how tightly. Let me see, I think I gotta do it this way. No, this is the right way. Twirl it tightly, keep twirling, even if you stop, just to bind it all together. And that's how the end will be. So that's how the braid looks. I like these because they are lightweight. They're really springy and bouncy like curls. They just have like a nice, cute, feminine look, like a girly look. So that's why I really like doing curly braids. This is my 2nd time doing curly braids, but I'm using a different curl this time. Your ends are already curled, so you don't have to dip them in hot water to make them curly. I think I curled it the wrong way. Yeah, I curled it the wrong way. So yeah, it'll bind together like this, and then that's it. In addition to what I was saying in the beginning, it's really helpful to do your parts the day before. That way you're not struggling to create parts the day of braiding. You're not accidentally creating small parts and not accidentally creating large parts. You can basically just like do your parts without the stress, I guess. And your hair will be moisturized already. You don't have to use any products the day of, so the products won't make your hands slippery while you're braiding. And yeah, and also you get to count how many parts you will have, so you'll already know how much hair you will need. So in the end, I only had to use 5 packs of braiding hair because I used 2 curls per braid, so that was 12 braids per pack, I think. So yeah, so it was really helpful, and I just love doing this method. Hopefully this mini twist braiding method is also helpful to you guys, especially for people who don't know how to grip. And if you want to do box braids on your child's head, you can definitely do them this way because their hair will stay moisturized underneath the braid. So definitely give it a try. If you notice, I changed my shirt because I was almost done with my braids and I was getting ready to go to an event right after this, so I was just getting ready and yeah. last one. And can we just admire how juicy that mini twist is? If you guys haven't used the DIY hair butter yet, you should definitely try and make you some. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished the, oh, sorry. So I'm finished the braids. Let me show you guys how they look. So this is their length. They stop right at like bra strength length. Bra, what'd I say? They stop at bra strap length. So they're like a nice length, like right here. I love them. They're curly, so they're like curly up here, and then of course very curly on the bottom. Here's how they look, so pretty and bouncy, like a perfect length. Not too long, not the short length, but like a regular length. So yeah, so I hope the camera looks right. I usually like to do this hairstyle where I bring two down in the front and then a ponytail top. So this is what I usually do. And it's like really cute. It's like a cute hairstyle. Yeah, so it's like cutesy. And it just like gives the hairstyle some life. But yeah, this is the finished hairstyle. This is how the roots are looking. I had to slick them down with some Murray's Edgewax. Yeah, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know why I closed my eyes.